Hello fellow HM and welcome to this video. And for today's video, I'm going to show you the different basic knife skills and vegetable cuts. And before I start this video, I already prepared all the ingredients needed for this video. I'm Raymond Guillermo, and without further ado, let's start.
Cut the side of the potato to make a rectangular shape and cut into planks. The measurement for alumet cut is 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 2.5 to 3 inches, and also called as matchstick cut, the starting point for the small dice. For brunoise cut, first is cut a flat surface on each of the vegetable 4 sides, making a rectangle shape. Next, cut 1/8 inch thick slices lengthwise through the vegetable. And last, turn the vegetable stick at a 90-degree angle and cut again into 1/8 thick slices. Fine brunoise is a basic culinary arts knife cut which is essentially a tiny cube measuring 1/16 inch by 1/16 inch by 1/16 inch. It's produced by first creating a fine julienne and then cutting it into cubes. The large dice is culinary knife cut measuring 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch. This square cut is most often used for vegetable like potatoes and sometimes fruit such as watermelon. The medium dice measure 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch and is a smaller version of the large dice. This is generally a good choice when recipes don't specify the size of the dice. The littlest of the dice cuts. The small dice measures 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. The julienne cut measures 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch by 2.5 inches, and it's basically the alumet cut once more lengthwise. You will most often use this cut for carrots, celery, or potatoes, and see the thin strips used as a garnish. fine Julienne knife cut measures 1/16 inch by 1/16 inch by 2 inches. It is also the starting point for the fine Brunoise cut. This cut is often used for garnishes. The bâtonnet is basically creating a rectangular stick that measures 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 2.5 to 3 inches. It's also the starting point for another cut, which is the medium dice. For Paysan cut, first is cut carrots into half lengthwise, then again into 2 parts, obtain the 2 halves. Cut into thin slices with a thickness of 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/8 inches, round, square, or rectangular. Lozenges diamond-shaped cuts prepared from firm vegetables such as carrots, turnips, and potatoes. Slice the item into long slices with a thickness of 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/8 inches. Then cut the slices into strips. Cut the strip at angle to produce diamond shapes. Oblique cuts are small pieces with 2 angle cut sides. You hold the knife at a 45-degree angle and make the first cut. Roll the item a half turn, keeping the knife at the same angle, and make another cut. The result should be a wedge-shaped piece with 2 angle sides. A cutting technique that results in a football-shaped finished product with 7 equal sides and flat ends. This is difficult cutting technique that takes a lot of patience. Rondelles are these shaped slices of a round vegetables or fruits, such as carrots. Diagonals are oval-shaped slices of cylindrical vegetable or fruits. The cut is similar to cut rondelles except that the knife is held an angle to the item being cut, or simply the diagonal cut of a carrot. Chiffonade cut is mainly used for vegetable leaves and fresh herbs, in particular basil. The leaves are stacked, rolled, and then sliced perpendicularly, creating thin strips. Chop is cutting an item in small pieces, and size and shape are not important. This is much easier than the other ways of cutting. Mincing is the same except pieces are smaller. Mince is smaller than a fine brunoise. The mince is less precise since it's supposed to be finely cut. We most often mince garlic or other aromatics when we want the flavor to be distributed more throughout the dish.